As you can see, the supply is now switched on and there are no loads connected right now. So the computer right now will sense the current, and according to the conditions specified in this, it shows no load. Now as I switch on the load bulb, there will be a current detected by the current sensors, and you can see the balance is deducted from our main balance. Now it will keep on reducing until the balance reaches a minimum value, after which it will send a text message to the user stating him that the balance is low and kindly recharge. This will continue up till the zero balance, after which the consumer is given a 1 hour deadline to recharge, otherwise the power will be cut off by the relay connected in the circuit. Now if there is a theft connected right now, see, you can see the bulb dims, and since there is a dividing of current, now you can see the load connection is switched off, and here the display shows that there is a theft detected. Now this happens because the current receiving to the load is less than the original current from the supply. So the current at the load of the consumer is disconnected from the supply. So now the consumer comes to know that there is a theft down below, so he can go out and verify. Now as I switch, if the theft is removed, you can see the load is reconnected, and now it starts reducing the balance again. So even when as soon as the theft is connected, the consumer load is disconnected, and he's in no loss of balance. The balance is as the previous, and as soon as the load is connected without the theft, the balance starts deducting.